5802, looking for clearance to LaGuardia. 5802, clearance clear to LaGuardia as filed. Maintain 4000, expect flight level 350, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 128.4, squawk 3111.
Traffic will be holding at position for the crossing runway departure after your arrival.
2164, thank you.
At 998 Grand Rapids Tower, runway 17, line up and wait. Traffic, Airbus 1 mile final for the crossing runway.
Line up and wait on 17 on the jet 998. For Northern Jet 527's about to turn final for 8 right.
1308, contact Relict departures, yep.
Departure 1308, yep. Sorry about that. Go around, cancel the landing clearance.
09 going around, Lincoln.
Do you just want to stay with me, or do you want to get resequenced with Great Lakes?
Stay with you, Allegiant 2209.
2209, whenever you're able, just enter the right downwind for 8 right.
Right downwind 8 right.
Skyhawk. .299, contact ground point 8.
Contact ground point 8, 642 now and enter.
Left turn Bravo, Bravo Victor to park, monitor ground point 8, get in.
Bravo Victor to park, thank you, Allegiant 2209, monitor ground.
Leash 554, be ready to reach in 17.
2876, contact Relict departures, yep.
Park in 2876.
554 Grand Rapids Tower, runway 17, line up and wait. 299 Grand Rapids Tower, continue inbound, traffic says Skyhawks in the pattern, you'll be number 2 following them, they're currently on a mile final.
Look for that traffic and we're going to start this at now, so we're getting that back.
Go 3719, ground, point 8, see you.
Point 8, see you.
Southwest 1222, contact Great Lakes departure 1284, see you.
Southwest 1222, so.
AirShare 751, left high speed, ground point 8.
Right here, ground point 8, AirShare 751.
Agent 537, contact Great Lakes departure, good day.
Collision 537, good day.
Victor runway 8 right now, please. They're going to have a tower runway 17, line up and wait traffic. There's a 5-mile final crossing runway, additional traffic holding in position for 8 right, departure prior to. 2637, just use caution there on the high speed, contact ground point 8.
Be careful, ground point 8, United 2637, good day.
527 Charlie, gonna have its tower, fly runway heading, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff 8 right, 5.
Mercury at 3450, contact Great Lakes, departure, good day.
Yeah, 3450, good day.
Flight 1308, speed direct. Legion 554, contact Relict departure, see ya.
Over to departure, Legion 554.
Contact departure, see ya.
Departure, good day, Sky 3719, we'll see you.
2622 left at Alpha 1, ground point 8.
Left at Alpha 1 over to ground point 8, United 2622, see ya.
Call for the 29 uniform, Sky 1229 uniform.
9 uniform, affirmative, runway 8 left, cleared for the option.
Option, runway 8 left, Sky 29 uniform.
299er, that traffic's about to head to your left, about a mile left, Romeo.
Traffic site, we'll swing it wide and come around 8 left. 64299.
Legion 579, Grand Rapids Tower, fly runway heading, runway 17, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 17, clear for takeoff, Allegiant 579.
Streak 5039, contact departure 1284, see ya.
Rapid Tower, Sahara 290 uniform, entering 7.5 miles northeast, entering left down runway 8 left, and we'd like to request a few laps in pattern.
Big 1229er uniform, Grand Rapids Tower, runway 8 left, clear for the option. After the option, make left traffic.
Then after that, make left traffic, Skyhawk 29 uniform.
Here 5802, Tower, runway right, line wait.
Right, line away, breaker 5802.
We got 5614 left at the Alpha 1 high speed, ground point 8.
Point over here, 5614, bye-bye.
Contact departure, see ya.
2645, Bill.
Clear 987 left at the high speed, taxi to parking, Bravo Delta Mike, this frequency, give way to an outbound southwest.
Oh, Delta Mike, this frequency, give way to southwest, SkyWest 3987.
contact departure. See ya.
5802, have a good one.
Contact Great Lakes departure 1284. See ya.
Now Lincoln 579, good day.
Grand Rapids Tower, Aeromed 1 West Sierra. Aeromed 1 Tower, wind 0504, altimeter 3049.
049, and we're going to request departure from the ramp to the north for St. Mary's Hospital downtown Grand Rapids.
At 1, roger, code departure approved, affirmative 3049er.
3049, clear for departure.
Aeromed 1, you can remain with me all the way to the hospital. Report landing assured.
Report landing assured for Aeromed 1.